I'm TV6 meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and this is your weather on demand. Well, today where we saw record snowfall across the UP, but not for everybody. A typical storm system, but also lake effect snow, where we saw totals of over a foot. And even here at this hour, lake effect snow is starting to shift further off to the east, eastern Marquette County, also western Elder County, just west of Munising. Still, we're not out of the woods just yet. Additional 3 to 6 inches is possible. Look off to the south and west, though, we are starting to get some clearing action. That means it's going to be very cold off in the south and west. Sub-zero temperatures once again. Here are the remaining advisories and warnings left. These will slowly be expiring through the rest of the day on Sunday. Those in pink are the winter storm warnings. Those will go through 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, Eastern time. Those in purple are the winter weather advisories. Those a little bit later, noon tomorrow, Eastern time. Keweenaw County is in a winter weather advisory until 7 a.m. tomorrow as well. Look for additional accumulation, but should be very light as the winds will be shifting around from the northwest to the southwest, ending lake effect snow. We can finally catch our breath and get this much needed day of rest, or at least clean up some of the mess. Winds right now out of the northwest gusting 21 miles an hour down in Manistique and 16 sustained out of Sawyer. But look at that in Copper Harbor, 28 mile an hour gust, and within the heart of the Arctic air coming in on Sunday and Monday. The wind chills are going to be dangerous and then life-threatening as well to be outside for any extended period of time. Wear layers and definitely limit your time outdoors for sure. Here's our almanac for today: 17 degrees, 1 degree for each day of December perhaps. But this I find is pretty interesting that the record was only 38 degrees set back in 1977. So that tells us that we really haven't had a lot of warm December 17th. And we approach the winter solstice. Our sunrise is 8:29 today. We'll get up to 8:32 will be the very latest on December 22nd. A couple days away from that. Here's the heart of the Arctic air, the coldest air we've seen so far this winter. These are current air temperatures, not even factoring the wind chills. Thompson -27, Flin Flon, we're double digits sub-zero for everywhere across this map here in southern Canada and northern Great Plains area. Everybody else is here. We're still positive, which is a good thing, but things are going to be switching around for us in the short term. I want to show you this too. Alaska, they are warm. When they get warm, we get really cold as the jet stream buckles and it surges warm air off the west, and it buckles it across the central portion of the United States and really sends a polar vortex or a lot of colder air spilling into the central portion of the United States there. -26 in southern Saskatchewan. Here's the storm system wrapping up now, moving off to the north and east. There are a whole mess across the Ohio Valley. Rain, freezing rain, sleet, and then of course snow on the backside in Chicago. Well, I'll put this in motion for you here. For us, lake effect snow showers dwindling throughout the overnight hours into tomorrow morning, but still hanging on, especially north and east, and a couple more inches also in the Keweenaw going to be affecting that area. High pressure, very strong high pressure, takes hold, moves into the Indiana-Illinois border, but then the most frigid air we've seen in quite some time. Actually, it's going to be colder than what we've seen all of winter of last year, so prepare for that. There's a snowfall accumulation, just shows several more inches falling across the highlands and also in the northern eastern part of the viewing area. I want to show you this map as well. These are our lows tonight, single digits, and in some cases minus single digits there. And your TV 6-day forecast features, well, a much needed break from this Arctic outbreak. Temperatures do actually rebound to the low 30s on Tuesday. Where'd that come from, right? I mean, go back to the upper 20s on Wednesday and really take a break from the cold and from any significant snow. Just a light chance to see maybe about an inch or so of the day on Tuesday, and we stay dry all the way through Friday.